Oh.
That's a good gift for Kate. We might even get some more.
I open mine this. I open mine.
Kaden.
Wait. Hey.
Look at.
Kaden, look. This is sand that you build with. And it comes with a man and a car. It's sand. Yeah, it comes with it.
Okay. I open mine.
Okay, well, we need to get a bucket to put it in so you can play with it.
Hang on, Dalen. Is that yours?
Yeah, that's it.
Then we can do it all hand. Yeah.
It's a sleeping bag.
Whoa. We get to go when we go camping out this spring.
It's Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah.
I'll put what's in it.
And when you go to, when you get a little older and you go to your friend's house for a sleepover, or if you have a friend come to your house,
Whoa. Look at that.
sleeping bag.
Ah.
You want to
Night
open your
night.
oven? You want to open your oven?